Grammar tips. Tips for an. A is used with words that begin with a consonant. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. An is used with words that begin with a vowel. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Tips for nouns. Nouns are names of things, people, animals, and places. A and an are both used for singular nouns. One noun. Examples. Let's look at some examples of nouns. Under people, we have a boy, a girl, a friend, a mom. Under things, we have an apple, a book, an eraser, an umbrella. Under animals, a dog, an elephant, a lion, a mouse. And under places, a house, a school, a church, a hospital. Right and wrong. Now let's look at the right and wrong section. The first one says, and teacher. This is wrong because teacher begins with a consonant. So we need a. Teacher is part of the people section. A teacher. Next is a octopus. This is wrong because octopus being with a vowel. Octopus is from the animal section. An octopus. Next is an playground. This is wrong because playground being with a consonant. We used a. Playground is a place. A playground. The last is an car. We use a with car because it begins with a consonant. A car is a thing. Quiz. Circle the right word. An pencil. Pencil begin with a consonant. So we circle a pencil. And book. Book begins with a consonant. So we circle a pencil and a book. An apple. Apple begins with a vowel. So we circle an apple. Banana begins with a consonant. So we circle a banana. An apple and a banana. An ham. Ham begins with a consonant. So we circle a ham. Eggs begin with a vowel. So we circle an egg. A ham and an egg. Quiz. Circle the correct expression. A strawberry. B an strawberry. Strawberry begins with a consonant. So we circle A A strawberry. A umbrella. B an umbrella. Umbrella begins with a vowel. We use an with vowels. So we circle B. An umbrella. A boy. B an boy. Boy begins with a consonant. We use a with consonants. So circle A boy. A frog. B and frog. Frog begins with F, a consonant. So you circle A frog. Find the mistake and correct it. And bird. Bird begins with a consonant B. So we say a bird. Write a bird on the line. And flower. Flower begins with a consonant. We do not use an with consonants. So you write a flower on the line. And coat. Coat begins with a consonant. We use a with consonant. You write a coat on the line. A island. Island begins with a vowel. We use an with vowels. So you write an island on the line. A uncle. Uncle begins with U. It's a vowel. So you write an uncle on the line. And crayon. Crayon begins with C, a consonant. And we use a with consonants. So you write a crayon on the line.